the 1997 Cadillac DeVille. This four-door, six-passenger sedan still has less than 80,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Cadillac prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by power trunk closing assist, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and much more. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Cadillac also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.